Turmeric is a flowering plant, of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, the roots of which are used in cooking for its flavor and taste. Turmeric is a spice that comes from the turmeric plant. It is commonly used in Asian food. You probably know turmeric as the main spice in curry. It has a warm, bitter taste and is frequently used to flavor or color curry powders, mustards. It contains a yellow-colored chemical called curcumin, which is often used to color foods and cosmetics. But wait, does it help you in real life, and if it does, then how? It is mainly used for conditions involving pain and inflammation like osteoarthritis. Turmeric has been named as a super spice that can help you with cancer, reduce depression and relaxing the body. Curcumin in turmeric may help you by its antidepressant properties. As curcumin can be helpful in inflammation, it can be very beneficial for patients with diabetes as it can be helpful for keeping the blood sugar levels normal. Turmeric is known to cure heartburn, increasing thinking and memory skills, inflammatory bowel disease and high cholesterols. It can also be used for the prevention of hay fever by reducing the symptoms such as sneezing, itching, running nose, congestion. Turmeric extract also reduces markers of liver injury in people who have a liver disease, but there is a condition that liver disease must not be caused by alcohol. It also helps in the prevention of buildup of more fat in the liver in NALFD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Turmeric can also be very helpful for reducing itching for people suffering from long-term kidney disease. By taking turmeric for 2 months regularly, it will surely help you a lot with itching. But with so many benefits, there are always few side effects as well. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, it is unsafe to consume turmeric via medicines as it may promote a menstrual period or can stimulate the uterus, which often will put pregnancy at risk. Please avoid taking medicinal amounts of turmeric during pregnancy. Turmeric can be very dangerous if you have any disease like gallstones or bile duct obstruction, as it may make the situation even worse for you. Taking high dosage of turmeric can cause slow blood clotting and thus might increase the risk of bleeding and bruising. If you're trying to have a baby, then reduce the amount of turmeric in your daily life, as it might lower the testosterone levels and decrease sperm movement when taken directly into mouth by men, which might reduce fertility. Taking high amounts of turmeric can be bad for the absorption of iron, thus can result in iron deficiency. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends and family. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive daily health updates.